Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike, and we are in the van. So I figured we'd take a minute and see where a window might fit. I may have to just cut this one out to put a window here. So let's get a measurement and see. So I was thinking a 3-foot window. I think that will fit perfectly right in here. 11 inches tall. A little bit higher right there. That'll look good. Nice window in the back. Right about where I sleep, which is right here. It's gonna be a tight fit. That's okay. Well, I'm not gonna rip out this until I actually order the window, so we'll order the window, we'll get that in. Now, I might have a few different ways of actually getting this rust and paint removed, but we're gonna try one way, and if it doesn't work, we'll try another way. So I've got wire brushes, I got a sander, I've got an orbital sander, I've got a belt sander. That's probably extreme, but we're gonna start with this and a wire brush, and I'm gonna work in small areas. I'm gonna pull as much paint off as I can, and we'll see how far I can get. But I'm gonna start with the front here and work myself back, and then do one paint section. I'll prime it, sand it a little bit, and then do a base coat and then a top coat, and then when that's all done, I'll move on to the next spot. Okay, so far I've got everything sanded down to mostly bare metal. Most of the rust is gone. I've cleaned up some of the, I put a little bit of rust converter on the one spot located here, located on the passenger side. So I'm just gonna wipe it down and check my work and see if I can move on to the next step. Probably gonna put a little bit more rust converter on some of the rust areas, but it's dirty, so I can't see too much. I use the air compressor best I can, but I'm just gonna go over it with a rag, clean it up the best I can, and start rust converting. So I've got a few spots I need to take care of. There's like one there, a few spots I gotta grind down, and then we're done. So I just rinsed off the top with a rag, got it all rinsed off, got most of the paint flakes off. Hopefully it's good enough. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then once it's done drying, I'm gonna put some rust converter on it. We'll see in a sec. So I'm just gonna go everything with the rust converter, just to make sure if there's any leftover rust that I missed, that it gets converted, and then we'll put a primer on top. Now that the rust converter's on, I'm going to put some primer on. This one's supposed to be the third and heavy. The roof. It's all nice and dry now. Go ahead and install the solar panels when the other one gets here, because I only have one solar panel that I can put on right now. And then we'll put the roof racks on. We'll drill a hole. We'll start doing that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna work on something else. So if you guys enjoyed what you saw and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, because I will have more coming, and I'm going to be working on probably the sound editing in the van pretty soon, and I've got some other stuff that I can put on the van as well. So we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out, guys.